awuthi ngitala bhola mthuthi nokusiqoka ekhanda asilingani ngamandla thina okokuqala sine stadium esihle thina iOrlando Amstel Arena ngizosho asisi-own lesi stadium but esihle mfana yini umehluko phakathi kwalento lena Old Trafford yini nje umehluko ubuka ngathi lezi stadium ezinhle ezibabomvu njengo Emirates kanje njengo Old Trafford ayifana sengathi thina yaphesha iPirates kahle lamakhosi stadium anothembisa abantu niqamba manga ndithi nizowakhanda nami baqambelelana amanga abantu kodwa bakithi lithi nizokhanda stadium senu uKaizer Chiefs amakhosi stadium nazo nafaka official website yenu upho nenze announcement nabhala kosolezo nakosokhaladuma nako kick off ophikayo nabo ubufakazi ngoba phela sinazidila into enobufakazi soncheckela amakhosi stadium Nkosi yami Jesu buka no Wikipedia usushilo amakhosi was the planned future home venue of South African club Kaizer Chiefs. The stadium was, underline that was, to be part of a greater sports precinct. Nkosi yami sports precinct. Even on their official website phela iwebsite eKaizer Chiefs le iwebsite eChiefs laba beqamba khona manga Chiefs moving to new hunting ground. Yo Jesu kodwa Nkosi yami siphi stadium sethena sithembisa sona singabalandeli bebhola abaseningizimu Afrika. Okay asibone babethini Nkosi yami lento abayikhuluma le hogwash abayikhuluma. Kaizer Chiefs and the Mogale City Municipality unveiled elaborate plans on Wednesday for a 695 million rand, 55,000 all-seater stadium developed to be called the Amakhosi Stadium. Oh, shame. Chiefs will have a 20% stake. Kanti bengebe own futhi nabo stadium sabo ke manje 20% stake in the new stadium will move into their new home in December 2008 and will become the first team in South Africa to have a stake in the stadium that they would play their home matches in. Located 40 kilometers from Johannesburg CBD, Amakhosi Stadium will become Chiefs' new home midway through the 2008-2009 season as Chiefs are penned to play their first games in the new stadium towards the end of 2008. Yo! Nkosi yami wafika wendlula athi ngibuke la egcineni ukuthi utheni awuthi ngizela ngijump oba lento lena ekhulunywayo la kunasikhathi sayo. For Amakhosi chairman Kaizer Mtaung, Amakhosi Stadium development is a kick in the right direction for the club. As he adds, I'm happy that we've been able to add value to our team by adding to our list of titles and other achievements our own home ground. Oh Nkosi yami